last one is from Saloni Gupta. It's a bedroom. I will use this one for reviewing. As you can see here, I don't know if the scale is correct because I can see something is not correct with the scale or with the camera lens, because the Saloni is trying to make this space large, spacey, but if you can see in here, the chair is almost the same size with the bed, and you also can see here in here the pillow near the bed is have the super big pillow size if you compare with this one in the bed. So we will need to make sure that the scale is correct, because it's if the bed this big, if I put some figures, probably people in here, it's already big people in here. If we compare with the size, probably this for kids. If this for kids, then it's okay. The size of normal people is this big, but the chair is will too big. And same thing with the pillow. And also we need to put something in the background. There's empty one. I know this one is Vire Sky, I think. It's Vire Sky, then this one the horizon. We will put something, probably some background image or vegetation or something to fill up the backgrounds. So it's not like this one. And yes, the other is like the material. We need to work more on the material shaders because they have no reflection at all in the wood, as you can see. So this will need a lot of improvement in this image to make it look realistic, because the scale itself is not like real things. That's why even we render this in realistic way, in correct way, even with the scale is wrong, the result will be still not be realistic because the scale is wrong. Okay, I think that's all from me. And back to Ronaldo.